area, perimeter, and volume are the next unit. Area, and this is not the technical definition, this is Miss Murray's easy way of explaining it. Area covers a flat surface. So examples are carpet covering the floor, grass on a field, a window pane is the glass. So there are 6 window panes here. Or a pool tarp a tarp that you cover the pool with to keep leaves and stuff out in the fall and the winter. That is area, anything that covering a flat surface. Many more examples other than that, of course. Perimeter is the outer edges of something. So fencing in the yard, the boundary lines of a field or a court, a dog collar, baseboards are these boards that go around the room. Every square, triangle, all of those will have sides. You just add the edges. So a square would have all 4s. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Perimeter of a triangle, if this is 3 and 3 and 5, you just add 3 plus 3 plus 5. For a circle, it has no edges to count, so it actually has its own name and formula. The perimeter of a circle is called circumference, and it is 2 pi r, r standing for radius, and I'll explain more of that in a minute. All right, and then lastly, volume. You're gonna fill a 3D shape. So how much gas fits in the gas tank, how much water's in a pool. Spray insulation has depth to it. And then like how much trash can fit in a trash can. So these are just a couple of examples of each type. Sometimes on some of the worksheets you have a picture with numbers that you're going to fill in and put the numbers in the formula. Other times you're going to be given word problems. You're going to have to know if I ask you about carpet, or you find an area, perimeter, or volume. All right, you have a formula sheet. Do not lose this formula sheet. This is your new best friend. You can use this formula sheet on every worksheet, every quiz, every test that we take from now until Christmas. The sections we're going to be using right now, perimeter, just explaining to add the length of the sides. We will be using circumference of a circle, and there are 2 different formulas, but we're mainly going to use this one. If you have the diameter, you could use pi d. It's just easier not to have to go back and forth between 2 formulas. I will always use the 2 pi r. We will not use the 3.14. We're going to use the pi button in the calculator. It's more accurate and less work. All right, area section here, triangle, rectangle, and circle. And then we will get to the volume section here. Those are the ones we're going to be using right now. We've already done Pythagorean theorem and trig.